Hello student, here we discuss enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid and strong base term, and delta H neutralization for given exercise. We'll discuss over here how to calculate heat of neutralization. This is very helpful for competitive exam as well as your this 11th exam. Now see here, the heat of neutralization of strong acid and strong base given 13.7 kilocalorie. The heat released when 4 mole of HCl solution is added to 0.25 mole of NaOH. Options are given to you. We know that HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus 1 mole of water. We will concentrate on 1 mole of water because this is fixed. When 1 mole of water is formed during the combination of strong acid and strong base, fixed amount 13.7 kilocalorie heat is released. Temperature dependent at 25 degrees C, right? Or in this case it is 57.1. Here they have given 13.7, so we will deal with this. Now 4 mole of HCl is given, 0.25 mole of this NaOH is given. So wait here. Here it is 1:1 ratio, but here it is NaOH is in the less amount, so only 0.25 mole of NaOH react with 0.25 mole of HCl. Excess will remain behind, no problem for it, and 0.25 mole of water is obtained. And what will be the heat of neutralization at that time? At that time we know that 1 mole of water produced then energy release is 13.7. So 0.25 mole of water when formed, energy release will be 13.7 multiplied by 0.25 mole. Okay, so we will calculate out, answer will be 3.425 kilocalorie. Now we will not write here per mole for enthalpy of this neutralization. This is for 1 mole, and this is for 0.25 mole of mole of HCl and NaOH is taken, and 0.25 mole of water is formed. So energy will be release will be 3.425. Now in हिंदी आई विल से उदासीनीकरण की एंथैल्पी, ये दोनों ही एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन है. अगर हम हीट ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन कहते हैं और थर्मोडायनेमिक टर्म, थर्मो मीन्स वी आर सेइंग एंथैल्पी ऑफ इट neutralization. Okay, and both the terms are in this exothermic reaction, but since this is written with the along with thermochemical reaction, that is why plus sign will be there. See, plus sign is there, but delta H we are writing separately in the form of delta H given. Okay, here I will write down as like delta H minus 13.7. okay, this is delta H. This is delta H neutralization is equal to minus 13.7, and this is thermochemical term